Finding reliable, compliant drivers when you need them can be a challenge. Traditional methods are often slow, expensive, and lack transparency. Road Ninja is changing that. In this demo, we'll walk you through just how easy it is to create and send a job request in minutes, putting you in control of your hiring. Let's start from the main dashboard. To begin, simply click Create Request.
This takes you to the New Request screen, which is built around your driver pools. Think of your driver pools as a way to define the specific types of drivers you frequently need. For example, you might have pools for curtain-sider drivers requiring specific endorsements or vehicle transporter drivers with particular vehicle classes. Understanding and utilizing your driver pools is incredibly important because it forms a foundation for making any booking on the platform. When you initiate a new job request, the system uses your pool definitions and the preferences you set to match you with suitable, available drivers. This ensures you quickly connect with drivers who possess the right licenses, endorsements, and experience for your specific job requirements.
Next, you'll set the date and time for the job. Click When to open the settings. Here, you can select your dates. If your job has non-consecutive workdays, like in this example, you can easily add multiple date periods. We'll add our first block, and now our second. The system automatically calculates the total job length. You can then set specific start and end times. As you adjust the time, watch how the summary at the bottom updates instantly, showing you the job's length, the hours per day, and your discounted service fee. But what if your schedule is flexible? Simply select Unknown Booking Time. This lets you guarantee a minimum number of hours per day without fixed start times. As you adjust the minimum hours, you can see how it directly impacts your discount, giving you control and transparency over the cost. Once you're happy, click Save to lock in your schedule.
Now, let's set the location. Enter the postcode for the job's primary location. This is the anchor point for your search. Below that, you can set the search radius. We recommend starting with a wider radius to see the broadest range of available drivers and their rates, giving you more options to choose from. After setting your location, let's define the payment terms. You have two options. The first is a flexible hourly rate, which allows you to reach a wide range of drivers at their individual rates. Your second option is a fixed price for the day. This is ideal if you need a driver for a full shift and prefer a single, predictable cost. To use the fixed price option, you'll need to set the minimum hours to 14. This clearly communicates to drivers that you're potentially booking them for their entire day, ensuring expectations are clear from the start. For this request, we'll continue with an hourly rate. With the core details set, you can now refine your search with specific preferences. This is where you can filter for the type of driving, like tours and commentary, and confirm the region. The more details you add, the more precise your matches will be. Once your preferences are locked in, the system instantly shows you how many drivers match your criteria. You now have two choices. Send the request to all matching drivers, or you can choose a driver you have already worked with if they're available. Clicking Create Request doesn't send the job out just yet. It takes you to the next screen to fill in the specific job details. Here, you'll provide the specific job details. Start with a clear job title and a thorough description. Providing plenty of detail here helps drivers understand the role fully and ensures you attract the best match for your job. Then, assign a vehicle to the job. You can either select from your existing list or add a new one if it's not there. Finally, you have the option to attach any relevant documents. While you can upload files here, we generally recommend waiting to share sensitive information until after you've confirmed and locked in a driver. Next, you'll set the assignment criteria. These are the conditions a driver must agree to before accepting the job, such as passing a drug and alcohol test or completing a site induction. Simply tick all that apply for this specific role. Finally, you'll review the independent contractor agreement. The general terms are provided, and you'll find a space to add any additional terms specific to this job. This is where you can outline expectations for things like cancellation policies or induction period details. To guide you, we've included helpful hints and a user guide right on the screen. Once you're ready, take the confirmation box and click Send Request. And that's it. Your request is now live and being sent to all matching drivers. You'll be notified as they accept, allowing you to review their profiles, choose your preferred driver, and confirm the booking by paying the one-off booking fee. And for your complete peace of mind, every job confirmed and conducted through Road Ninja is automatically covered by our comprehensive public and statutory liability insurance at no extra cost.